All right, everyone, we are going to look at ORCA. So we may be in store over this Christmas break to get a little dump in the market. Everything I'm looking at on the day, ORCA being one of them here, notice that we do have this bearish divergence forming on the RSIs here. So the last time you could see when this price was running up here to that wick high, you can see the stock RSI was going down, or the RSI rather, and the stock RSI was going down also. And then we had a 30% dump here. So we just made a lower high on the stock RSI, as you can see here, and on the RSI off of these highs here. So that's kind of telling us that even though we're getting these little tiny dumps here, as you can see, I would simply say watch the 236 here on the smaller Fibonacci from the low here to the high. You fall any lower than 661, then there is a chance. Let me go ahead and get this one off of the screen. If you fall any lower than that 660 mark, then there's a chance on the much larger Fibonacci, which technically you're still bullish over the 436 level, just like back here where we had that 30% drop. We may be in store here if you fall any lower than you are now off of that bearish divergence. You can see we are in a about a 35-36% drop is in play here, down to the 236 here. But on the grand scale of things, you could come down here and technically you are still bullish for a move back up, but you can see how that would still make a higher low and continue this very bullish market structure that we are in on ORCA here. So I just want you guys to be aware of that. Hopefully you guys are taking profit if you're invested. So until we break over this 844 up to about 927 level, we'll just kind of keep it as it is and just watch this pullback here. So any lower than you are now, I'm thinking you're probably coming back down to the macro 236 here. So, you know, you got to do what's best for you, but a 40% drop almost is lurking here on ORCA. The momentum is clearly shifting to the downside off of that high. And we'll just kind of leave it at that for now. Just be very cautious of the price dropping here and coming back down. If you take out that 660 level, we are printing red, as you can see here on the Heikin-Ashi candle. So it is trending down at the moment, at least short term. So I'm looking for a little pullback here. A lot of things are telling me that the market's trying to pull back and everything's about to retrace down a little bit. And I say a little bit, but you know, 30, 40, 50% is not a little bit when you have a bunch of money invested in something. So yeah, we will leave it at that for now on ORCA. Just watch those prices and we will see you in the next one. Not financial advice. Peace out.